Welcome to Shiny's Kitchen. Let's cook special fish curry. Ingredient for it is fish half kg, mustard 2 teaspoon, fenugreek seed powdered 1/4 teaspoon, turmeric half teaspoon, tamarind foam which is soaked in the water, and I added 1/4 teaspoon of salt. 2.5 tablespoon of red chili powder Kashmiri, salt as needed, coconut oil 3 tablespoon, coconut milk, tomato 1 sliced, 2 green chilli, ginger 1 inch, 1 bulb of garlic, 2 to 3 sprig curry leaf, and some shallots. Let's start how to prepare it. I have kept a vessel with the gas on. I am going to add like 2 to 3 tablespoons of the coconut oil. Once the oil is heated, we will add the shallot, garlic, ginger and green chilli. So and we will saute for like 5 minutes. You can reduce the flame to a medium. Now you can see that the onion has become translucent and other ginger and garlic has become slightly brown. We will off the flame and we will allow it to cool. Once it is cooled down, we will blend it. Now I have blended the ingredients which I sauteed. Now I am going to put back to the pan with half teaspoon of oil and again saute for another 5 minutes. In a medium flame. Added the tomato also and let it become soft. Now our tomato has become soft. Now to this I am going to add the red chili powder, turmeric, fenugreek seed powder and salt. Just saute for another 2 minutes. I added the tamarind. I am going to add like 1.5 cup of water and we will increase the flame to high and allow the curry to boil. You can see our gravy is been boiling. So to this we will add the fish. Now we'll close the lid and cook on a high flame for 5 minutes. So you can see our gravy has become, the amount has decreased, and the fish look cooked. To this I'm going to add the coconut milk. And you can just turn around this way, otherwise it will break. Now again we'll close the lid and cook for another 10 minutes. Now finally I'm going to salt again. So the pan is heated. To that I'll add like half tablespoon of coconut oil. You can add the mustard. Red chili flakes. Keep it in a low flame. Salt. And you can add the garlic. Our fish curry is done. You can have it with hot rice and cooked tapioca. You can add finally little coconut oil also. Thank you very much for watching Shiny's Kitchen.